Hi everyone, can you imagine it's month 3 already, and once you've made the blocks for month 3, look how much of the quilt you've already done. And so this month I've got the Schoolhouse block, which is done with piecing, and this part here you're going to find is really fun. If you've never done any foundation paper piecing before, this is a really simple introduction to it, so yeah, I hope you enjoy making that one. And then the trees block is a lovely big block with lovely big trees on and applique, and that's going to go together really quickly. So I hope you enjoy your sewing this month. Do share in the Facebook group, and I'd love to talk and find out about all of your school experiences when you were really young, and how you played with leaves and trees. So I really look forward to seeing that and seeing all your blocks. I'm just loving seeing them in the Facebook group. And so we'll see you later. Have fun sewing.